So what is the name of the nose? My God!
No.
Yo guys, it's good to have you back on our channel. As usual, this is Becks TV. Guys, you are gonna love today's video.
Whoosh.
You will love it.
Whoosh.
And you see, today we are three in the sofa because today I'm going to take my wife and her sister through the body parts in Ghana. So do you know the challenge? They have always been battling in the house who can best speak Ghana. Meanwhile, they both struggle to speak it. But today we will draw the line because my wife has rehearsed since last 3 weeks. And I'm sure she's going to murder the sister. But me, I'm just a referee, neutral person. So guys, I will be asking the questions. I'll be showing them parts of the body in Ghana, and then I'll quiz them on it. As simple as that. You know,
I can't wait to win this one hands down.
I'll be the one winning.
Hey, I am gay. But then guys, to those who don't know what we meant by Ghana, so Ghana is one of the local languages that is widely spoken in Accra, in and outside some parts of Accra. And I am privileged to be, half Ghana and half Ewe, So today, those who are coming from the Takrade, they are both coming from Takrade, so you can chi. Kofi Kenates Wafaseno. Yeah, so that is basically what we are going to do, and we hope that you enjoy today's video. Are you ready?
Ready.
I'll start from the hair.
Okay.
So when we say Ichwe, Ichwe means hair. Okay? Then the head is Yicho.
Wait.
Ichwe
means hair.
Hair
Yicho
means head. Yes is Twe.
Twe.
Good. So
okay.
be playing around it. So your ears is Twe. Your eyes is Hime. The nose is Gugon. You are laughing at your teacher.
The pronunciation, the language. Well, let me.
You don't keep quiet and be jotting down things and be laughing.
They will come and beat me here.
So your nose is Gugon.
Okay.
Your mouth is Nabu. Nabu. Your teeth is Nyunyon. Some people are saying Nyunyon. So that is this one is a quick. Ichoi is the hair.
Ichoi.
Yo, be singing my head, my shoulder in your head. So let's go on.
Twe. Nabu. Google.
So this is not where you are going to rest. Please let me just finish my tutorials and
so
you can. I should start again. No, I can't start again. This is a quiz. So this is a math and science quiz in Ghana. So you better grab it.
So let's start again.
Ichoi. Yicho.
Okay.
Twe. Hime. Gugon. Nabu.
Babe, this one we have to be right.
Nyunyon. Nyunyon is the teeth.
Okay.
Your tongue is Lile.
Lile.
Your neck is Kwe. It's not Kwe. It's Kwe. Your neck is Kwe. Nine. Your hand. Nine. Your chest is Chichi. Your stomach Stomach is musu.
Musu.
Musu. Your waist is hair.
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 It's not hair. It's hair.
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 Good. Your buttocks is duna.
Duna.
Is duna. Duna.
It's okay.
Your thighs is sure.
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 Your
Knee.
knee is canto.
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 Your leg is nande.
Nani. Please, the hand is what?
True. Ladies and gentlemen, the quiz. Revision. Revise it in your head.
The hand is
Nile.
Nine. And then you said the leg is.
Are you asking me to give you a ball or what?
No, the leg is
Nane.
Nene. Nane.
Are you okay? Nane. Good. Are you guys okay? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to. No, there's no quick recap. We are dealing with time. So, you can't get everything. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's quiz between Madam Rebecca Dogbe and Miss Enyonam. You. In this quiz, a full answer to a question goes for 3 points.
Yes.
And if you are not able to answer, we pass it on as a bonus question. Ladies and gentlemen, on my right, which is your left, your bell is me. Say it and let me hear. And on my left, which is your right, your bell is bon. Say it. Oh, let me hear your bell. Bon. It's bon. It's not bon. Bon. Say bon. Say bon. It's KP. Bon. Good. So before you answer the question, let me hear your bell. All right. First question. What is the name of the teeth? Ke. Brain. The eyes.
Hene.
Where? What? No. Come again. You didn't ring the bell. I'll catch it. Okay. Hey, I'm sorry. Yes. Okay. Hime. What is the name of the head? Bonus question. You Brian, the benchon, Yicho. What is the name of the mat?
Now.
You rang the bell. You rang the bell. Nabu for 3 points. One bobel. Mika just a bobel. That's the one answer. Okay, so what is the name of the neck? Come again.
Bobel.
Bobel. Babiti bongo. Really? Okay, Brian. It's Kuen. What is the name of the ear? 12 for 3 points. 12 for 3 points. Yeah. So what is the name of the nose? Good. still watching this video, Charlie, don't forget to subscribe. I'm just mesmerized. Ngongo. What is ngongo? Oh my God. Hey, opongo. Elazo. Gugon. The nose is gugon.
But I tried.
You tried the bang gongono. Gongo. Hey. Okay. So guys, as usual, we know you are enjoying this video. Yeah, we love you. So what is the name of the leg?
Nane
for 3 points. Hey. Lady Becks is leading 6 points against Enyonam. Yeah. So what is the name of the chest? Chichi is correct. Chichi is correct for 3 points. So 6 points, 6 points. Okay, so what is the name of the stomach?
Ichue.
Icho is your head.
Musue.
This one here, Musue, my stomach, Ichue, my head. Okay, so I'll give it to you. It's Musu. Musu is correct. So 9 points, 6 points. What is the name of the? She's bribing me. What is the name of the buttos? Do that. You just have to be smart. If you are going to press your back more, be smart and press more. How come you are able? The two of you do not. You are able to remember like that. No, I'm just asking a question.
But it's not the chichi to
No, but it's just the chichi and the duna. How come?
We don't know. It's
all right.
Probably is the familiarity of the word. And you say dunamis. You see chichi, like chichi.
Yeah.
Chichi is simple to remember, but the nose I've forgotten again.
Can you remember?
Baby pong.
Where? Babe, why?
Gugo. Like gugo. It's difficult to remember.
All right. So what is the name of the hand?
And a nani.
Please, if you don't know the answer, don't be pressing the ping like that.
Nene.
Bonus.
Nani.
And you know.
Hene.
Please, you didn't get it. No.
Oh, at least 2 points or half the points.
I'm sorry. I can't award that point. You are leading with 12 points. She's leading with 6 points.
No,
okay.
9. It's 9.
9 points. 9 points. 12 points. Okay.
Oh, so you didn't give me the half?
No, there's no way I'll give it to you.
How?
No, in fact, you didn't hear the answer. It is not hine. It is ni. Hine is a hine obidi. No, please. No.
At least.
I'm sorry.
You.
So, what is the name of the hair?
Yichue.
No, you know what? My God, it's why you're dying with. I think I'll give it to Lady Becks. I'll give you 2.
Oh, okay.
It's Ichue. But you are mentioning a dime. A dime is not a dime. Yeah, so I think you guys have done well. It is not easy. The Ghana language is sweet, but it is not easy like that. Yeah. Go on. Yeah. So guys.
And the teeth is.
Nino. Yeah.
Le.
So the last one, that is the last one I'm about to ask. So what is the name of the tongue?
Lele.
Leila. Senior man Leila. Did you just say Leila?
No.
And you also say Lele. No.
Lily.
No. Come again. Rose flower. Yes. You are nearing. No, add what she was about to say to what you are saying. Add yours. Add hers to yours.
Lele.
Go! It's Lille. Yeah, Lille. You will add hers to yours. You say Lille. So it's Lille. Lille means your tongue.
Okay.
That was nice, Ty.
This one
Charlie.
I won with hard work.
So that is how many points? Right.
15. Yeah, we were 12. The one.
12. So 15 points against 9
and then,
points.
Hey, what about the hair? You chew it. You said you give me 2.
So add it to it.
17 points.
17 points and 9
I
points.
Can't be defeated.
No, so that's how come we are proceeding.
You sleep outside.
Hey, Edro, my goodness. All right, ladies and gentlemen, guys, thanks for watching this video. Are we done?
The rest I can't remember, so we are done.
All right, so that was just a small quiz we had to organize here. And how do you feel?
Charlie, the Ghana language, I never knew the body part is like a bit difficult, but I can hear some, like, if you say some sentences, I'll be able to deduce what you are trying to say.
Yeah.
At times, in fact, but I never knew the Google and you chew and
yeah. Today you've learned, but you've learned something new, right? You chew.
The head, Google, and then the eye.
Hime. Yeah. You know, at least you've learned something.
The Google
right?
got me.
Yeah.
It's funny.
How are you, Anjuram?
It's quite difficult.
But you guys want to learn, so Charlie, it's better you abreast yourself with it. And Charlie, it is going to be fun. I mean, if we are able to.
The is what?
Canto.
And the tie.
Sure. Yeah.
Sure. Canto.
So sure. Wash. Akokotai. That's it.
My head.
My stomach. My stomach.
You swear my head.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. This was one of the videos we decided to do just to, while away time. And indeed, whilst we are playing, we are learning as well.
Yeah.
And it has been so fun, So you can try this at home. And what are you saying, Lady Becks?
We are returning viewers, as usual. We love you. We cannot do this without you.
Yeah.
And if you are new to this channel, I don't see why you are not subscribing.
Subscribe.
Hit on that subscription button.
Yep. Share, comment, and like.
Yeah.
And she's new on set. What are you saying to our lovely viewers?
Keep watching us. We will offer good things to you. So.
Yes.
On that note, we are.